Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to export your AI and My AI data on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. If you care about your privacy or just want to see what data Snapchat has collected, this is something you should definitely know how to do. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. This is where all your account options are located. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Account Actions. This is where Snapchat keeps tools related to managing your account data. Under Account Actions, tap on My Data. This section allows you to request and download the data Snapchat stores about you. Once you're on the My Data page, you'll see different data options. Look for the My AI option and make sure to toggle it on.